Hey, hello, this is Mike from Pacific Apps here to talk about generating year-end donation documents for the Nonprofit Success Pack using iDialog. And the idea for this demo comes from a Trailblazer community forum post where a user asks, what applications or processes are NPSP users using to send out end-of-year tax receipt letters to donors that includes each of their donations as well as the total amount given for the year? And there's a lot of great ideas and suggestions in this forum. In iDialog, the solution here, we're starting from an account household. And basically, we just want to click on a generate button and generate a PDF that itemizes all of the donations for the year with a roll-up summary of the total amount. And we can format this document using Microsoft Word as the template. It's also personalized with the household primary contact's name. We can merge essentially any household contact or opportunity information into this template. So how did we get to this solution? Let's actually start with our opportunities. This household has donated 3 times this year. If I go back to the spring 19 donation, and I've added the iDialog component to the opportunity page layout. And I can generate documents and just snapshot the data. So we notice this particular donation was $500, has a description as spring 19 food drive. And if I open up the PDF that we just generated, that data has been merged into the document. So we have the donation amount, we have the date, we have the organization, received by description, basically everything the donor would need to acknowledge their contribution and for claiming a tax deduction. So we can also deliver this document to a donor through the Members tab. So I'll click on Add Member, and it's auto-detected all the household members. Optionally, I could search for additional people and add them to this room. There's an email template here. I can just simply click Add and Invite Members, or I could further personalize the email. I'm going to go ahead and add and invite the members. So in their inbox, they will receive a link to their donation receipt. So both members of the household here have received the same personalized email. And by clicking on the link, that brings them into the iDialog portal, where they have access to the generated PDF. They can download it for their own records. And if enabled, optionally, we also have this embedded messaging application in the document portal. So meanwhile, back in Salesforce in the opportunity, if I click on the activity tab, we have full audit trail tracking. I can see when the document was generated, who was invited to the room, and when. I can see when the document was viewed and downloaded by the members in the document room. So individually, over the year, throughout the year, donors can make individual donations, and for each donation, they can receive a single document. So at the end of the year, we go back to the household account. I'm going to pull up the Smith household. You can see here we have a roll-up summary we've added. In aggregate, the sum of their 3 donations is $1,900. We have a related list of their 3 opportunities. And we've added the same Lightning component to the account household page. And I can at any time access the options for this document and just merge with record. So for example, if there's been a change in any contact information or there's been an update in their charitable contributions, we just merge and take a new snapshot of the record. And by the way, at any time, you can also simply just download these PDFs and email them to users. But I'm going to go ahead and use the same delivery mechanism we did for individual donation receipts. And I'm going to send this year-end tax receipt to Jane Smith. Go ahead and add an invite. And going back to our inbox here, we have another unread email. We have a new link to the year-end document. We've personalized this message saying, hey Jane, here you go. Donors like you make a huge impact. Please find your annual donation receipt below. And here Jane Smith now has an annual receipt that she can download and keep for her records. In our activities tab, again, is showing a full audit trail, who the document was sent to, when the document is viewed or open. So everything is customizable here through Microsoft Word documents. The two templates I've used in this particular demo are available on our website under the Templates tab. These are Microsoft Word documents. So an annual receipt, we are embedding contact first name and last name. And our itemized table, actually, we're just defining one row, and that one row as a template is expanded out into many rows. And towards the bottom of the table, we're summarizing the total donations. So thank you for your time. Again, you can find all the templates for this demo on our website, getpacificapps.com, or search the App Exchange for iDialog, where you can actually install the app, and myself or somebody from our customer success team would be happy to assist you in getting this accelerator set up.